morning, all of you. I hope you all are doing well at your place. Okay, so last we have discussed about why is judiciary independent. Before that, I have given you the one example of PIL and another example of Narmada case study, which is there in the book. Okay, now we'll see the next topic, which is that asking the question, are the codes at various levels are interconnected with one another or not? Means, are they having any relation between them? So the answer is yes. All the codes, the hierarchy of the codes are there, they are connected with each other. Okay, we'll see the case study. In that you will get the concept how one code is connected with the other code. So as we reach to the Supreme Court, so the decisions which given by all the judges, so the Supreme Court judiciary is having a right to see all the judgment given by the different courts. Okay, now we'll see one case study related to that. So let's discuss a case. There are the few houses in the southern direction of Ratlam municipality. Over there they have constructed a road, and behind that houses there was an old road which goes to the government college. Okay, so near the junction of the old and new municipality. अब जैसे ही कोई junction आता है, कोई एक place आती है जहाँ से 2 or 3 roads connect होते हैं, so over there one culvert means जो गंदा नाला आता है ना, gutter, means where all the factories and industries, they are releasing the water, and through the underground it goes into the water. Okay, so that is known as culvert. तो उन दो जो जंक्शन है उनको कनेक्ट करता था वो कल्वर्ट. आपने देखा होगा कि ऊपर ब्रिज जैसा बना रहता है, वी कैन से टू दैट ब्रिज, और नीचे ड्रेनेज वाटर पास होता है, तो दैट इज नोन एज कल्वर्ट. इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली ब्रिज, बट वी कैन कनेक्ट टू दैट. So industries and factories release the dirty water over there, and due to that the chemicals which are mixed in the process of any product, so that dirty water mixed into the rivers, and near that culvert, surrounding that culvert, there is the residential area, and the slum dwellers were also living over there. Slum dwellers means the गरीब लोग जिनकी झूपड़ी वगैरह बनी होती है, that you have seen के बहुत सारे नालों के पास में द ड्रेनेज वाटर जो कल्वर्ट रहता है उसके आसपास बहुत सारे स्लम ड्वेलर्स रहते हैं, बहुत गरीब लोग रहते हैं. So they were facing the problem whenever the natural call was there. At that moment, every time they faced the problem, and even they have complained to the municipality too. So the natural call means कभी बारिश गिरती है या कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो ड्यू टू दैट they face many problem, and as the culvert is there, dirty water है, तो obviously there are the chances of more and more mosquitoes. So the residential area that people have also complained, they have written the applications many a time to the health department, means health department which connected to the municipality. So they have tried, but they have not controlled the mosquitoes which were spreading more. Okay, so residential people also, they have, those who are living over there, they have written applications many a time, but as they have seen, there was no action from the health department side. They were not able to control the mosquitoes. Okay, so the residential people appealed in the taluka court, because many times they have written the applications, but they have not seen, they have seen that the people connected to the municipality, they have not taken any action against to that culvert, and it becomes very pathetic, and smell also comes from there. So they have appeal in the taluka court, and we'll see the judgment now, what the judgment given by the taluka court. Now you can see on the page number 29, the magistrate gave the verdict in the favor by the residents. अब magistrate ने कैसे फेवर में किसके, रेसिडेंट्स जो पीपल थे जिन्होंने कंप्लेन की थी, दे हैव गिवन द जजमेंट वर्डिक्ट इन द फेवर ऑफ द रेसिडेंट्स. हाउ? So first we'll see the judgment by the taluka. So the municipality and the town improvement have failed in their duty. अब म्यूनसिपैलिटी जो है और टाउन मैनेजमेंट मीन्स जो सिटी के अंदर मैनेजमेंट आता है दैट. So what Taluka judgment said that they have failed to do their duty. So to maintain the cleanliness, both municipality and the town management, town trust management, जो भी पूरे टाउन को मैनेज करता है, they both have to take care about that cleanliness, and this effect it should be done within a 15 days. उन्होंने ये जज किया within a 15 days it is the duty of the municipality and the town to take care of that culvert, और जो भी वहाँ पे गंदगी है उसे साफ करना है. इट मीन्स तालुका हैज़ गिवन ड्यूटी टू बोथ ऑफ देम, द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द टाउन एंड द म्यूनसिपैलिटी. ओके, सो the people, the residential people, they were not satisfied with this answer, so they went to the high court, sorry, district court. So as they went to the district court, district court ने क्या कहा, the verdict which was given by the तालुका court, it was unfair. बस उन्होंने इतना बोल के छोड़ दिया. So they were not satisfied with that answer also, so they went to the high court. Now as they went to the high court, so the judiciary of the high court, they have seen the judgment given by the district court and the judgment given by the taluka court. So as they went in the high court, so now the judiciary of the high court, they gave the judgment like the drainage should be closed within the 7 month. अब वो जो drainage था वहाँ पे उसको 7 month में बंद करवा दिया जाए, and 15 days में उसको जितना हो सके वहाँ पे जो उसकी गंदगी है वो 15 दिन में साफ कराई जाए. द पिट शुड बी फिल्ड विद द सॉइल टू स्टॉप द वाटर अक्यूमुलेशन. अब वहाँ से जो वाटर आ रहा था ड्रेनेज सिस्टम में से उधर मिट्टी डाल के उसको 15 दिन में बंद करवा दिया जाए. एंड द मॉस्किटोज ब्रीडिंग वर्क ऑल्सो शुड गो ओवर देयर, मीन्स जो मॉस्किटोज बहुत फैल रहे हैं उसे भी वहाँ पे दवाई डाल के बंद करवा दी जाए. सो ऑल वर्क शुड बी कम्प्लीटेड विद इन 2 years. अब the high court has given the time of 2 years to do all such things. ड्रेनेज बंद करवा दी जाए, सॉइल से पूरे पिट्स बंद करवा दिए जाए, मॉस्किटोज की दवाई छिड़की जाए. सो ऑल दीज 3 वर्क्स विच वॉज गिवन बाय द हाई कोर्ट, द टाइम that judiciary has given for 2 years. So as you have seen the different answers given by the judiciary, so are you thinking that all the answers given by the different courts it's satisfied? No, it's not. If you are thinking no, so that is correct, because the problem is spreading of the mosquitoes. The residential people and the slum dwellers which were living which they are living near to the culvert, they are facing the problem of mosquitoes, that smelling, and the water comes over there, it gets flow. So they are facing that problem, but the courts, they were giving the time only, within this time they have to do this work, that work. So they were not satisfied as they went to the Supreme Court. And as they went to the Supreme Court given the judgment. First he see all the decision given by the different courts, then the Supreme Court take the action that the plants or the dye, means industries or the factories which are there near that area, near the residential area, so that should be closed because they have increased the pollution. So it should be closed as early as possible with the joint efforts of municipality and the state government. Municipality of state government, जिनके plants है, जिनके ये industries है, with their efforts उनको बताया जाए, and that factories और industries should be closed. जो भी responsible है pollution को फैलाने का, उनसे बात करके जो भी efforts बनते हैं बना के, और ये factories और industries जो भी plants हैं, it should be closed. So the judgment given by the Supreme, what was in the favor, which was favor in the Supreme residential people, because the Supreme Court has taken the right decision. अगर वो कलवर्ट ही वहाँ से बंद हो जाएगा, like अब जैसे वहाँ पे ड्रेन वाटर जो है that was mixed in the pond, जो वहाँ पे वाटर में मिक्स हो रहा था, अगर वही बंद हो जाएगा तो slum dwellers also will not face the problem, and the people which are living in the residential area, that also will not face the problem. So the Supreme Court has given the right judgment which was in the favor of the residential. Okay, so I hope you have understand the level of the courts and what the judgment given the by the different courts, and which was satisfied and which was not. You are clear about it. Okay, now we'll see the next topic, which says that can any citizen appeal in a court or not? Yes, so answer is yes, any citizen can appeal in a court. Now we have seen that court is for the our protection, for the welfare of the people. Okay, so we have seen that, but in the reality, the poor people, which they are not having the proper income, somewhere they are facing the difficult, because if we are appealing any of the case in the court, any court, so for that we want advocate, a lawyer. Okay, तो जो आपका केस लड़ सके, right? So for that the fees of the advocate is very problematic, because the poor people, they are not able to pay that fees, right? So many things are there where the poor people are facing the problem, as they are illiterate, so they don't know the what is the procedure, what is written in the papers. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं बहुत मायने रखती है फॉर द पुअर पीपल. सो एज द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द PIL, आपको पता है जब PIL का प्रोविजन स्टार्ट हुआ, आफ्टर दैट सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज़ गिवन द परमिशन दैट एनी पर्सन can directly appeal in any court, in the Supreme Court also. Okay, so PIL, as you all know, it is the issues related to the public at large. So keeping the fact in mind, the Supreme Court announced the provision of the PIL in the year 1980. Okay, with this the Supreme Court has made effort that maximum people can reach up to the court for the justice. Any individual institution can file a case directly in the Supreme Court if anyone is taking if anyone deprive the classes of the fundamental right. अगर कोई आपको आपके fundamental rights जो हैं, the special rights you have which is given in the constitution, अगर कोई आपके rights break करता है या आपको rights इंजॉय करने नहीं देता है, so you can file a appeal in on behalf of that person. So we have seen that in the whole chapter, the case studies, the decisions of the different levels. Okay, so one thing we can we have understand that any person can file a case, or any institution can file an appeal directly in the Supreme Court or any court. I hope you have understand this chapter properly. If you are facing any problem in this chapter, we will discuss in the next live lecture. Till that time, take care all of you, and good day.